and first of all, good afternoon to everyone. I am Shroon Dangi, a final year computer science and engineering undergrad from DVIT, and I'm also a Microsoft Learn student ambassador from Microsoft. So it gives me an immense pleasure to first of all welcome and thank our respected principal sir, Dr. Himayat Naidu sir, and the respected HODs of all the departments who took their time to come, and all my dear fellow mates. So today we all have gathered here to launch a dream. It's not a company for me, it's a dream which I saw in the initial years of my engineering. In the initial years of my engineering, the problems which I faced, and according by problems, I saw a dream of the platform which gives the students the power to connect in the community of DVIT, to connect to the juniors, to the seniors, and make some benefits along the way. So that is what Zobstore is all about. 2 years back, the dream which I saw, the idea which originated, is taking an appreciable shape today. So for that, I would like to thank our principal sir and HOD sir and Shivkumar sir also, because I have been developing this product since 1.5 to 2 years. I've been developing it, but I was skeptical about the situation, like how this people will react to it. Like there are already some things, but how they will react. So I introduced this product to our HOD sir, and like he was very much impressed and very much appreciated me for the product, and he told me right away that yeah, this is a very good one and you should directly go to meet principal sir. In the very first shot he told me that, and we directly went to principal sir, and the moment I showed him the demo of the product, and I explained him everything, and he also asked me so many questions, what is this, and he motivated me so much and appreciated my idea so much that this is a really good product and you've done a great job. So that just paid my whole hard work which I did. Those words just paid my whole hard work there in itself. And not only that, the basic idea of the product was to buy and sell things. That was the basic idea. But there are so many features which are a gift of our HOD sir and principal sir. So many features in this platform are suggested by our HOD sir and principal sir. Lost and found is one of them, which we'll discuss in the coming few moments. So the basic principle or the basic idea is to buy or sell anything at the college campus. So you can buy or sell anything. Now, how it all began? So how I got the idea of creating this product? So when I was in the initial years of my engineering in the first year, I faced this problem that I wanted something, and I saw that those things I need for a very little period of time. For example, a book if I need, so that book I need for just 1 semester, and then I will promote it to next semester, and that book will be of no use for me probably. So this idea came from there. So I need to buy the books from outside. So I bought the book, but later on I saw that the book or the item which I need was already there with someone, probably my seniors. And the irony of the whole thing is that they were not even making use of that thing. They had, that was okay, but the item which they had, which I wanted, they are not even making use of this thing, and that item is of no use to them. So that gave me an idea, like that is of no use to them, and they are probably throwing it or selling it. So why can't that I use, because I need for a short period of time. So from there, the idea, the seed was sprouted of Zobstore. So what is Zobstore actually? What are the features? So the pillar is, Zobstore is an online platform to buy or sell anything at a college or hostel campus seamlessly. So next, you can use Zobstore, first of all, sell or hand out your unessential things at the college or hostel campus. You can not only sell, you can donate it for free. For example, if I have a book, I don't need to sell it and put a price tag on it. I can donate it for free to my juniors. That's completely there. So next, we can buy things from our seniors. We can buy things or take things from our seniors. And next, post about any lost or found items. So this feature is purely a gift of our principal sir and HOD sir. Both have given me this idea that what if someone has had lost something at the college campus, so can we post an ad about lost or found items. So this feature is purely an idea and a gift from HOD sir and principal sir. Next, you can directly contact the owner of the product or the seller of the product who has posted the ad through WhatsApp or a voice call. Next, you can sell or hand out your previous semester books, notes, manuals, and almost anything to your juniors or even your peers. So you can sell or hand out your hostel essentials. For example, the final years, when they leave the hostel, they do not carry all the things with them, all the items. So they can hand out or they can sell those items to their juniors who are already there in the hostel and who needs those items. So and many more features are there which you will explore as you visit the website. So our vision. So the JobStore is based on a pillar prime vision, which is simple, fast, and secure. We have made the app so simple that anyone can use it without getting assistance from anyone. Fast, the website is very fast. For example, when we post an ad, so we need to post the picture of the product. So nowadays, when you take a picture from a phone, so everyone is having a smartphone. So one picture is about 15 MB to 20 MB. So if that is the case and we post ad from that picture, our database will get filled in one day only and the website will slow down. But the fast feature is that the image size will be compressed by 98%. For example, if the image file size is 15 MB or 20 MB, that file size will be compressed to 20 KB or 30 KB. So this will make our website super fast and our database reliable. Secure. Now this is the most important feature which we are focusing, that we need to maintain the privacy of the users and we need to make the website secure. So that is why we are making use of the Google Open Authentication System. So here on our platform, we are not providing you the feature to log in or register or provide your name. No. You need to just click on sign in with Google and you will be able to sign in with your Google account. From there, we will be grabbing the username of your Google account and your profile picture from a Google account. So that is 100% authentic because Google accounts are 100% authentic. So this is the key feature which relies on the secure part. So currently we have opened up JobStore at DVIT, Bangalore, and depending on the feedback which we will be receiving from the students at DVIT, so we will be expanding to more colleges in Bangalore, and depending on that, we will be expanding to other cities and other colleges with a stronger approach. So a preview of what actually it is. So this is the homepage of the website. As you can see, this is the banner and those are the features: login, post free ad, lost and found. Join premium feature is currently tentative and it will come after some time. And the about section. So these are the ads. This is the sign in with Google button. Once you click on that and you sign in with the Google account, that button will change to post free ad. Like you cannot post an ad without signing in. Or you cannot even call someone, or you cannot even call the seller of the product without logging in. You need to log in first with your Google account, then you can call or send a WhatsApp message to that particular seller. So next, we have what happens when you log in. So when you log in, that sign in with Google button has now changed to post your own ad. And you can see there your name will appear. My name is there and my DP is there. So same, your name will be there and your profile picture is being grabbed from your Google account. So this is your Google account profile picture. So once you click on this publish your own ad button, so this model will appear. So here in the title section, you will provide the title of the product, books, or if it's an electronic item, name of the product. In the description, you will provide some more information that this is brand new or this is this much old, these are the features, or if it's a book, then this edition and all that. Next, we have the price section. So in the price section, you can put a price to that particular product, or you can even check off the donate for free. So when you check off the donate for free button, that ad will be posted as free, and so means that will be freely available to the students or the juniors. Next, we have the contact number. You have to provide a valid contact number here. If the contact number is not valid or less than 10 digits, then ad will not be posted and it will be suspended. Next, we have the image section, select image. So on this, when you click, you will have to select the image of the product. Either you can click a photo directly or you can use the image from your gallery. Next, this upload button is not active right now. This will only be active if all the fields are filled. If all the fields are filled, this button will be changed to pink color, and you will, when you click on this upload button, so next we'll have this ad. So this is the basic outlet of the ad. So this, your name will be there. This free one is when you click on the donate for free. the title of the product, the description, click to call. When you click on the click to call on the mobile phone, you will make a call, and WhatsApp, you will make a WhatsApp. So next, we have the lost and found feature, a really special and feature which is very close to my heart because this is the gift of principal sir and HOD sir. So lost or found anything at your college campus, sign in to report now. So by clicking on this, you can post about the lost item which you have lost at your college campus, or if you have got something, you found something at your college campus, so you can post about this, that I found this, whoever is the owner, please check. So when you click on this, here also you need to sign in with Google. So when you sign in with Google, so the button will change to report lost or found and your name will be there. So when you click on the report lost and found, so this model will appear. So here type like you lost or found. If you lost, checkbox the lost radio button, and found, so found. For lost, it's the red color and green color for that. Title of the product which you lost or found, description, your contact number, and the image of the product which you lost and found. And when you click on upload, so it will be uploaded. So this is how the lost and found ad will look. The picture, the lost banner is in red, and the found is in green. So this is how you can call or contact through WhatsApp. For that also you need to be logged in with Google. So this was the whole idea. So this is the URL, zopstore.live. If you type this URL in your browser, you will be directly going to the homepage of the website. You don't need to add any www. Directly just type this zopstore.live. You will be able to go to the website. So